Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a glowing energy circles behind a model. Today we'll added a glowing energy circle behind your model for a power effect. Open your portrait and remove the background. Then create a new layer behind the subject and use the ellipse tool to draw perfect, and also fill it with bright canes and reduce opacity slide and apply outer glow in the same color tone. Now duplicate the circle and scale it down for inner ring and add Gaussian blur for smooth glowing edges. Use a soft brush to paint faint slides spreading outward, and I add particles around the glow using scatter brush. Change some to orange for contrast balance and apply color balance for overall harmony, and add subtle